Imagine a 2-ton iron monster sliding across a wooden floor.
During a storm.
A loose cannon. The real one, not your coworker, the actual cannon.
Okay, fine. I will get the coffee. You start talking.
So, a loose cannon. Today it means a person who could explode at any moment. Unpredictable, a little dangerous.
Yeah, like that one uncle at every family dinner.
Exactly. But this idiom is not about people. It started with iron and wood and a very bad day at sea. Picture a wooden warship. 300 years ago, on every deck, big iron cannons. Some weighed 2 tons each.
2 tons? Just sitting there?
Not sitting, tied. Every cannon was tied to the wall of the ship with thick ropes, like a giant dog on a leash.
Cannon on a leash. I love this.
You laugh, but when the cannon fired, it jumped back hard. The rope held it. Without the rope, bye-bye sailors.
Okay, so the rope is the hero. What goes wrong?
A storm. Big waves. The ship tilts hard, and then one rope snaps.
Oh no.
Yes, 2 tons of iron on wheels on a wet wooden floor, sliding from one side of the deck to the other every time the ship rolls.
And the sailors?
Trying not to die. They had to catch the cannon with ropes in the dark, in the rain, while the floor moves.
Wait, what if they did not catch it?
Bad news. A loose cannon could smash a hole in the wall of the ship. Below the waterline, the ship sinks from the inside.
So the cannon attacks its own ship?
The most loyal weapon in history, until it gets loose. So today, a loose cannon is anyone like that. Powerful, but out of control. You never know what they will do next.
And usually it ends badly.
Usually. Like, he is a great salesman, but he is a loose cannon in meetings.
Or do not put her on the team. She is a total loose cannon.
Perfect. Use it for people who could explode, not for someone who is just a little annoying.
Quick recap. On a wooden warship, cannons were tied with ropes.
If the rope broke in a storm, the cannon rolled across the deck.
2 tons of iron, smashing everything, even the ship itself.
And today, a loose cannon is a person who could explode any moment. Powerful, hard to predict.
Your turn. Do you know a loose cannon? Tell us in the comments. In English, please.
Grab a coffee, stay curious.
Same cafe, same coffee, by the same sea.